Let us settle into our chosen seats. Octogenarian. So tonight we celebrate a once in a blue moon celebration. 80-year-old is called octogenarian. Kaya si Uncle Greg, Octo na tawag natin sa kanya. And meron na lang isang hiling sa inyong lahat tonight. Kasi in other countries, meron daw iba't ibang rituals kapag kumakanta ng happy birthday. Sa New Zealand daw, pagka kumakanta ng happy birthday, kailangan susundan ng palakpak. And the number of palakpak should be equal to the number of years you age na nag-celebrate. Pero, kasi mabait tayo, hindi natin siya uubusin in one go. Hindi tayo papalakpak ng hanggang 80. Basta sa loob ng gawin ito, kailangan lumagpas pa ng 80 ang ating palakpak. So, maya-maya, whatever happens, papalakpak kayo. Kagaya ngayon. So, as the night goes on, meron tayong dapat naka-ready na palakpak. Meron na kayong palakpak na nakahanda. So, that's one. Sa Uruguay, where is Kuya Adol? Sa Uruguay, in Latin America daw, ang birthday song daw doon, pagka kinakanta, kailangan itatouch mo raw sa balikat, sa shoulder, or sa ulo, yung taong kinakantahan ninyo. So, anytime tonight, feel free to approach Uncle Greg, batiin niyo siya, 80 times pa rin. So, balik-balik. So, ngayon, habang bata ka ang gabi, pwede nyo nang simulan ang pagpalakpak at ang paghawak sa kanyang shoulder. This has been a long, special day for Uncle. I understand that they already went to church and they already went to the home for the aged earlier today. So, to start off the evening,
Yeah, ano yun? Hindi pa re-enroll sa...
Iklaro mo, bakit?
ang Home for the Aged ay kanilang binisita ng ocular and inspection. Si Jason Magnael kahapon. Pero kanina, namigay sila, nag-share sila ng blessings. So, to welcome us all, I would like to call somebody who has spent, if Uncle is 80 years old, I'd like to call somebody who spent 56 years
Of the 80.
of the 80 with Uncle. Tama ba?
Yes.
56. November.
Next week,
November din. 22. Oh, so 56. Alam eh. Without further ado, eto muna. Ano ang tawag sa taong between 70 to 79 years old?
Tiguang.
So, tatawagin natin si Septuagenarian. Tatawag tayo ng isang in the words of Jason, hindi ako ang nagsabi, witness kayo, tiguang daw, Mrs. Rosario Trip de Castro Magnayo. Tiguang kayo, sabi ng
Self-research yun na.
Sabi dito, umiinit ang ulo ko.
Diyan na lang yan.
Oh my Lord.
Yun, bakit to?
Parang kinakabahan talaga. Matapos kong mapalakit sumunod sa akin, ngayon ikaw may sumusunod sa kanila, baliktad na yan ang mundo. Anyway.
I was thinking that right about the big.
Okay. Relatives, friends. Wala naman pa eh, tayo ba? A pleasant good evening to all of you. Tonight, we're deeply honored and inspired by your presence to be with us on this very significant and momentous occasion, which is the 80th birthday of my dear husband. Anong spelling ng dear?
36 plus.
Okay. Of my dear husband Greg, to his friends, and Luring to our relatives. When November 17 was nearing, or pagpasok ng November, we planned to have a family affair na lang, no? Because of the so many number of relatives that we cannot invite them all. So, I told our children that tayo na lang kasi makakaya yung maiimbita at yung hindi. No? So, we thought that they agreed. Sabi nila, okay, because they seemingly agreed. But as the date draws near, we start to have doubts and because there are surprises. Like for instance, last Monday, they texted me Sunday evening that he has a gift certificate which is about to expire. Wala naman palang expiration yung gift certificate. Hindi ko naman alam. And so he's inviting us for breakfast at Provincia at about 7 o'clock daw. Okay. Unknown to us, they already arranged pala that Ronald, our third son, is coming all the way from New York. And that it has already been agreed agreed that Sally, our eldest, will be the one to meet him at the airport. So, tayo lang kami ng ano. After Mass that Monday, we went direct to Provincia to get inside. But the one who invited us was not still there, so I feared that baka hindi dumating at kami rin magbabayad ng breakfast namin. Buti pa doon na lang sa bahay ng breakfast.
Sabi naman 20%.
Yes, we checked on our ID. We brought it. So we waited there, sat down and waited, and to our surprise, after a few minutes, Salvi and Malo, the wife, arrived. And as they approached us, I think somebody was hiding at the back, their back, only to find out that he was Ronald. As they approached us, nakita namin si Ronald. So, that, of course, embraced him, but he was in tears.
Uy.
Ano napaiyak ang pobre. Hibing-hibe, ay kinuran agad ng litrato eh. Sa Facebook, hibe.
Best actor.
Sabi niya eh, tataas ang aking presyo sa inyong ginagawang ito. Pero nung mabigyan daw ng pasalubong, abrak pa ito, bumaba yung presyo. So isip pa tayo ng isip ng gamot, kung anong gamot sa high blood, pala pasalubong lang. Anyway, that is one of the surprises. Pero I don't know. With all that happened, I don't know what more. They have still more, no? So in the meantime, please bear with us, hold your breath, and wait for the next picture. Hindi ko talaga alam kung ano ito. Now, inip na nga yung celebrant kanina. Sabi niya, ano ba hinihintay natin? Ako inaantok na. So, in behalf of our family, of course, with respect to our children who made all these surprises, thank you so much. And in behalf of our family, we sincerely and wholeheartedly welcome you all. Thank you.